Hey there, YouTube. It's Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. To my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I sincerely appreciate your support. To those of you who are new on the channel, my name is Dr. Tess Washington. I am a board-certified physician and surgeon in private practice, Beverly Hills, California. On this channel, we focus on the optimization of your aesthetic, hormonal, and physical health. I bring you information that you can use on a daily basis to optimize all three. I'm currently building 3 websites, 2 on Wix platform, 1 WordPress. The WordPress platform, I'm using the Divi theme, and things that I would recommend to you guys if you want to take on that responsibility, which is amazing. If not, build it, have a very strong role in the management, mainly because we all will be responsible for compliance with regards to GDPR, the new regulation that was initiated May 25th, 2018. Outside of building the website, I'm also in the process of putting together 3 blogs, 4 online stores, and 1 podcast. Once again, I'll share with you the platforms I chose, why I made those decisions, the influencers on social media who I have looked to for very vital information that has helped me along the way. With regards to my physician role, on Monday, we discuss hair restoration. We discuss different things that can be done in order to preserve your hair, restore your hair, and decrease any hair loss. On Tuesday, it's Dr. Testosterone Tuesday. We not only discuss testosterone, we also discuss the other hormones that are commonly imbalanced, some from birth and some as we age. On Wednesday, it's Wrinkle-Free Wednesday. We've named Wednesday Wrinkle-Free Wednesday because we discuss all of the options, some with injectables and some without. Thursday is Throwback the Fat Thursday, where we discuss various weight loss options. Sometimes we discuss physician-assisted weight loss, where we give prescribed medications and different exercise routines. Friday, we discuss non-surgical butt enhancement, non-surgical rhinoplasty, and lasers. Saturday, we discuss nutritional supplements. And Sunday is just, hey, let's just hang out. We can maybe make that a day where we do a live stream, but it's just pretty much a lackadaisical day. So I'm not going to drag this video out really long. I just mainly wanted to invite you to join along with me in my June challenge, where I'm going to be posting on a daily basis. The main reason I'm doing this challenge is because I feel like I haven't really been consistent. And this is a passion for me. I'm very excited about being on this platform and bringing you guys relevant information on a daily basis. If something is important to you, you make time for it. And I'm going to make time for this platform. There will be some times that I will post and there will be no intro, there will be no outro, because I think that it's more important for me to just get relevant information out to you. Even if it's without the bells and whistles, I'm keeping my word to you. It's my pleasure. I'm very excited about being a part of this community and getting to know each and every one of you on a much more personal level. So please leave any kind of comment that you may have below in the comment section. Let's talk. Also, feel free to follow me on the social media platforms. I'm Dr. Tess 90210 on all of the media platforms. I think on Twitter, I'm Dr. Tess MD, but I'll change that so that we have continuity. I've noticed from my analytics, people are watching me from all over the world, which is just fantastic. I will leave the days numbered 1 out of 30, 2 out of 30. Who knows if it goes well? You know, they say after 21 days, if you do something consistently as a habit, if I'm able to pull this 30-day challenge off, maybe I'll just film something every day. Well, I'm Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. Please subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. I want us to be a great big happy family. Don't forget to smash the like button. Signing out, Libido Looks in Life. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Leave a comment and I will be sure to respond personally. Please subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you enjoyed the material, smash that like button. If you would like to become a sponsor, discuss brand deals, collaborating, or hiring me for speaking engagements, please send me an email to the address contained in the description box. Thanks again.